Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a project on Asana. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, we have to open it. And after that, as you can see here, you will get that create option here. So we have to click on the create option, and after clicking on the create option, simply we need to click on the project. So let's click on the project. And after clicking on the project, as you can see the blank project, the user template and the import spreadsheet. So I'm going to use a template. Now we have to choose the template which suits our project. For example, I'm going to choose the project. Now we need to choose like work request and the meeting agenda. So I'm going to choose like the meeting agenda or the work request. So let's use this template. We have to click on the use template, and as you can see now, simply we have to click on the create project, and after clicking on the create project, our project will be created. So in this way you can create a project on your Asana account. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So as you can see now, the each and everything is added here. Now you can use it according to your need. So see you guys in the next video.